Hey guys, today we will be making fluffy slime. So what you'll need is any bowl, activator, baking powder or soda, it doesn't matter, shaving gel or shaving foam, but I couldn't find shaving foam so I'm using shaving gel, food colouring, I'm using blue and red so I'm going to try and make purple slime. You will also need PVA glue, white or clear, another bowl and 2 mixing tools. Okay guys, so to start off I'm getting my PVA glue and you just add in how much you want. So I just like to fill the bottom, but it's up to you how much you add. I just bought this from Poundland and you can buy it from anywhere. So here's how much glue I put. Now put that to the side and get a new bowl. Now in this bowl you will need your shaving gel. Now if you have shaving foam you don't need to listen to this step, but if you have shaving gel you'll have to do this. So just add in some shaving gel. I'm sorry that it's taking so long, it's just because it's really hard to get out, but I just added in quite a lot into there. As you can see, it's quite a struggle. So once you're finished, you want to just put that away, and this is how much I added, and you'll need a mixing tool to just beat it up. So I'm not actually lying, but when you mix it, it will turn into like shaving foam, it will go foamy, so just hang on a minute and you'll see that it's going to be nice and foamy. So you just mix that all together, mixing it super fast and seeing what it will have after. So as you could see, it was just a bit foamy, so you just want to carry on until all the blueness of the shaving gel has gone. So now mine's nice and foamy, so you want to combine the shaving gel into the glue mixture. So just add in all that lovely foam into there, make sure you add in all of it, but never add more shaving foam than the glue or then it won't work. So once you've added that in, you want to just fold together the shaving gel and glue, sorry. So just mix that together nice and well. Sorry about the crying in the background, that's just my brother, but yeah. So you just want to mix that together until it's all combined, and this is just a tip, if you don't mix it together it won't work because you're not actually mixing everything. I've just realised I missed a step. You're meant to add in the baking soda with the plain glue, but it's fine because I'll just add it on. So now I'm adding in the baking powder because I forgot to add it in before, but you just need a tiny bit. I think I've put too much there, but yeah, I guess we'll just add it all in. So you want to add that in, and baking powder, it just helps it activate. So when you add the activator, it will just help it. Just add that in and mix it in nicely. Like I said, you are meant to add it with the glue, but it still works. It just doesn't really matter what order, but yeah. So once you're done, you can add in your food colouring, and as I said, I want to make purple, so I'm adding in blue and red. And I don't actually know how much you need, but I'm just going to go in and add in some blue. Then I'm going to open up my red one. Sorry about my mom in the background. Now after, you just want to go in and add in some red. Okay? So then you want to mix that together really well. And mine turned into like a purpley brown. I'm really sorry about the background. It's my brother and my mom. But yeah, so you want to just mix that together. And then I didn't really know if it's going to turn purple, but it did turn a kind of purple colour, but I added in red and I added too much, so right now I'm just removing some and adding into the other container. Okay, so I added in some red and I'm just beating that in with the blue, and it turned into kind of a purple colour, but I will show you guys what colour it's turned into. So we're just beating that up. Okay. And then we're just closing that red and closing the blue, because once I've spilled all my food colouring, I don't want to do that. Okay, so here is the colour. It looks a bit more like a red, but it is purple. Keep on getting really messy, but just wipe it on the floor, doesn't matter. Okay, so we're just mixing that together and it turns like a purple colour. Okay. So the next step is to add in your activator, and I use this multi-action eye wash, Optrex. So I really love this because it has a handy dandy cap that I use to measure it in there, just open it up and use my handy dandy cap right there. Okay, so I've just added in a little bit of activator and now I'm mixing it. So when you make slime, you have to be careful with the activator not to add too much. So if it doesn't come together after you've mixed it very well, you have to just add in a bit more. So as you can see, it was coming off the side, so I just added in a bit more activator and carried on mixing. And when it starts to come off the sides, you know that your slime will almost be done. So I just went in to feel it, and as soon as you feel that it can come together, you want to take it out and start kneading it. So it was a bit sticky, but you just have to carry on kneading it. Then it will go to a different state. So I managed to get it out of the bowl and onto my floor, and I just felt it, and it's just like magic. It just turned into like a slime. So as soon as I stretched it a bit in my hands, it was still a bit sticky because with fluffy slime, it is really fluffy. You just have to wait for the right moment. So yeah, it was super fun. It's super fun to play with. And it is like completely stretchable. It's really easy to stretch and poking. My favourite thing about fluffy slime is poking it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe and comment more recommendations.